Hi guys, here is my new video, and from now we are going to start MDCAT series in which we will cover English MDCAT syllabus and also solve quiz related to daily topic for those who want to crack it. So stay with us and now start the intro. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to represent things or incident which is ongoing in current time or present time. To make present continuous tense we use helping verb like is, am, are and ing with first form of verb. Formula subject plus is or am or are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: he is working hard. She is going to school. We are eating our dinner. We always use am with I. And is with he, she, it, or with single things. And are with you, we, they, or with plural things. If form of verb end at word e, then we remove e or replace it with ing. Now let's have a look to quiz for better understanding or to see how much we understand. Don't forget to paste your score in comment box. But before that, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can notify about the new video.